Ensure you're in a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down in a position that allows you to relax completely. Let my words guide you into a state of deep relaxation and visualization. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and slowly exhale. With each breath, allow yourself to become more and more relaxed. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale fully. Let go of any tension, any stress, and allow your mind to calm. Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly, feeling a wave of relaxation flow through you. With each breath out, let go of any worries and feel your body sink deeper into comfort. Focus on the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing wave of relaxation spreading down from your scalp. Feel this wave move slowly down, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. Let it flow down your neck, easing any tightness and releasing any tension. Feel the warmth and relaxation spreading, flowing down your shoulders, your arms, and your hands, your entire upper body becoming loose and relaxed. With each breath, feel the relaxation moving further down your chest, your back, your stomach. Letting go of any remaining tension, feel this wave continue down through your hips, your thighs, your knees, all the way down to your feet. Every part of your body, from head to toe, is now deeply relaxed. You are at ease and ready to journey within. Imagine yourself standing in front of a mirror. See yourself as you are now, and as you look into the mirror, notice the changes beginning to appear. Visualize your body becoming more feminine, more curvy. See your waist becoming slimmer, your hips and thighs becoming fuller. Feel the curves forming naturally, beautifully. Imagine your chest becoming more rounded and full, enhancing your feminine shape. As you continue to see these changes in the mirror, feel a sense of joy and acceptance filling you. Know that your body is transforming in the way you desire. Embrace these changes with love and gratitude. Feel your confidence growing with each moment, knowing that you are becoming the curvy, feminine person you wish to be. You are radiant, beautiful, and uniquely you. Repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud, letting them sink deep into your subconscious. I embrace my beautiful, curvy, feminine body. I am confident and comfortable in my skin. My body is transforming into the shape I desire. I love and accept myself completely. Every day, I feel more and more feminine and radiant. Allow these positive feelings you can return to this state of relaxation and reinforcement whenever you need. Each time you do, the positive changes you desire will become stronger and more real. It's now time to return to your waking state, bringing with you the positive feelings and affirmations. As I count from 1 to 5, you will gradually become more aware, more awake, and more energized. 1. Becoming more aware of your surroundings. 2. Feeling your body, your fingers, your toes. 3. Energy flowing back into your limbs. 4. Almost fully awake, refreshed and alert. 5. Wide awake, feeling wonderful and rejuvenated. Open your eyes when you are ready. Take a deep breath and carry these positive feelings with you throughout your day. If you enjoyed this session, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for listening, and have a wonderful day.